Hi, Brian. This is the Old Force platform. This is the GLX that it connects to. It connects via this plug in any one of those four ports. All right, I'm gonna hold the phone with my knees. Oops. Okay, and plug this into any one of those ports. And now I have an interface here. Let me go back home here. Here's the home button. All right, go back home. And what you want is the graph. For the elevator experiment, you're going to want the graph. And that will give you automatically vertical force on the y-axis and time on the x-axis. Right now, the GLX is old and the batteries don't work anymore. So I had to get these guys to power the GLX. So it's going to be pretty important to unplug this when you're done so that these guys don't die before you're done with your experiment. You know, I assume that you're going to want to have several trials of the experiment. Okay, now the force platform has a tear. You see that? See that tear? Right, so you want to put that on a level surface and tear that before you begin your experiment. Okay, I just teared it. Teared it again. It's a very tiny button there. Okay, and now I'm going to begin my experiment. I'm going to press play here, and experiment is beginning. Oh, sorry. Right, so experiment is beginning. Right. I'm going to stand on the platform here. Aha, there we go. Something happened. Okay, get off the platform. All right, now I'm going to stop the experiment. Let's see. If I press play again, will that stop it? Yeah, that stops it. Okay, now the differences, the lumps that you're going to see on the elevator are going to be much smaller than my lump there. So you're going to want to press the auto scale button. Here we go, auto scale. And that makes any little lump suitably large, all right? So that's going to be very important for your experiment, the auto scale. Now, you're going to want to take a picture of this with your phone because at any moment, this plug could just, at any moment this plug could just fall out, you know? So you're going to want to take a picture of that with the phone. Now, you have some options here because there's a cursor pad. I think you can examine this data and find the maximums and the minimums. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, scale, move, graph, scale. If I press the tools button, let's see, delta tool, slope tool, smart tool, delta tool, slope. I think I'm going to ask for statistics here. All right. Now, the maximum, okay, so I have some nice statistics here. There's the maximum, there's the minimum, there's the average. I don't care about the average. I'm care about the maximum and the minimum. All right. Now, the maximum is probably that spike over there, but that's not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in this this plateau here. I'm not sure what the graph is going to look like in the elevator. I guess your students can make some hypotheses before the experiment, but I want you to be able to find exactly what that plateau is. I know there's a way to do this. Scale, move, scale, move. Okay, no, that's not. I'm gonna press the escape button here. I know there's a way to move a cursor. I'm pushing the cursor key left, but I don't think anything's happening. Run number one. Wait, I'm gonna go to tools and I'm gonna try the smart tool. Number one is the smart tool. Okay, is this what I'm looking for? Yes, that's it. We see that the smart tool allows me to move the cursor and it will automatically follow your curve. So here I'm at the plateau and I could see that my actual maximum is 781 newtons. I am 170 pounds, so I'm not sure if 170 pounds of force is 781 newtons. Well, anyways, I will let you guys do the math, but this is how you're going to examine your graph, all the different features of your graph. You're going to use the Smart tool. It's in the tools, the button under the tools, and then you select Smart tool right there. Okay. All right. That's. I think this is going to be the winner tool for you for this experiment. Now, I have a couple other options. I'm not going to make a video for the analog scale option because it's a bit obvious. You might want to take a slow motion video of the analog scale when you use that. But I am going to make a video for the small object option in case you don't want to use your body weight, but you want to use a small object.